Good day to you all. I'm just going to give you a kind of an input that can instill ideation in you so that you can participate in the ideation contest being conducted by InnoCulture. The theme of this year contest is application of emerging technologies in water resources and environment. So you need to know all these three keywords first. Emerging technologies are the new world technologies, which is the cyber physical systems that is on the evolution. Then water resources and environment. Coming on to emerging technologies. What I'm going to suggest is not limited but only illustrative. It can be expanded to whatever awareness you have on this area. Emerging technologies are with an acronym called 2S, 2C, 2A, IBR. 2S's, simulation, systems integration. 2C's, cybersecurity, cloud computing. 2A's, augmented reality and additive manufacturing. IBR is IoT's, big data and robotics. So applying these on water resources and environment is the theme. So if you want to use any application of a new technology onto any resource or any value creation, you should know a kind of a parametric guidance. So I'll give you a parametric guidance, but it is again not limited to. The scope is still wide open. Upon your creativity, you can expand it. I'll give you a small acronym again. It's called SUAL, S-U-A-L. So, source, use, affected by and legitimacy. Source. Take for example water resource. Water resources are from various sources. It can be from the ocean, seas, which is saline, or it can be a groundwater, or it can be surface water like rivers, lakes, ponds, wetlands, everything can be source of water. And then from icelands, icebergs, glaciers and cold regions, everything can also contribute. And the newly arrived at concept of harvesting rainwater. All these are sources of water. So when you have sources of water, it has to be used. So the use can be, it can be into any agricultural use or industrial use or for recreational use or for various uses. Okay, so who is going to use it? When people are going to use a resource, what happens is it can get affected. So it will affect what? It will affect population, it will affect industrialization, it will affect urbanization, or it will affect recreational aspects or climatic change, whatever it is. You have to identify where the affected party is going to be while using this resource. And you have to support them. So how will you support? You have to have a legitimacy. Legitimacy is right to use and the right way of use. And it also goes on with not only the right, you have to protect them, sustain it. So these are the factors on which a resource, water resource, has to be looked into. So now you can apply your mind of using these technologies into these aspects, pick that niche area and then sprout out your innovation. The second concept is environment. Environment is the buzzword today. So anything which happens today is being connected with environment. So environment can be soil, air, water, anything which is used by the biological systems, that is including we and animals and species, other species on this planet. Okay, this has to be, when we are using, we should have a good quality of life. So if anything which is going to affect it, so you need to protect it and you should also restore it. This is how the total theme has to be evolved in you when you are picking up an idea. Okay, so with this I'll cut short my speech so that you can think through, get a nice idea, use it, have also a reward associated with it, and if it goes well, it can also go up for a scale up. Okay, thank you all.